The Tale of the Hut and the Perils of Perfection. A 3D adventure in Nomad Sculpt. Once upon a timeline, in the mystical land of Nomad Sculpt, a brave artist, that's you, embarked on a quest to model a humble hut. How hard could it be? You thought, wielding your stylus like a mighty sword. Little did you know, the battle ahead would be one of endless tweaking, accidental undos, and suspiciously stubborn polygons. Chapter 1. The Foundation of Doom. Every great hut begins with a solid foundation. Yours began with a primitive cube. You stretched it, scaled it, and accidentally turned it into a pancake. No worries, you muttered. You undid, but instead of reverting the shape, you erased 2 hours of progress. That's when you learned fact number 1. Always save your work. Early, often, and while praying to the auto-save gods. After rebuilding your pancake foundation into something that resembled a hut floor, you moved on to the walls. Just extrude and smooth, you thought confidently. 10 minutes later, your walls looked like melted chocolate. Chapter 2. The Roof of Eternal Regret. Next up was the roof. A triangular prism, you declared, summoning your geometry skills from 8th grade. But as you adjusted its angle, you somehow spawned a mysterious hole in the middle of your hut. Who needs a chimney? You joked to yourself. Except, the hole wasn't on the roof, it was floating in the air like a cosmic insult. This brought you to fact number 2. Every 3D modeler has at least one floating vertex they can never explain. It's a rite of passage. With sheer determination, you patched the hole, scaled the roof, and gave it some rustic charm with a few wavy deformations. Sure, it looked like it had survived a tornado, but you called it artistic. Chapter 3. Textures, Lights, and the Unspoken Curse. To bring life to your hut, you ventured into the realm of colors and lighting. A warm, woodsy brown for the walls, a mossy green for the roof, and a soft golden glow from inside. Everything was coming together beautifully. Until you realized the lighting wasn't rendering as expected. Suddenly, your hut was glowing like it had been dipped in radioactive sludge. That's when you discovered fact number 3. Lighting in 3D modeling is the universe's way of reminding you who's boss. After some trial, error, and a lot of Googling, you tamed the unruly lights. You even added a tiny lantern outside the hut, thinking, I could live here. If only you weren't afraid of polygonal spiders. Chapter 4. Victory and the Exportation Ritual. Finally, your hut was complete. It wasn't just a model. It was a testament to your patience, creativity, and ability to laugh at your mistakes. But as you went to export the masterpiece, Nomad Sculpt decided to test you one last time. File corrupted, it whispered, like a villain in a 3D modeling soap opera. You froze. Your heart raced. Then you remembered your earlier save, thank you, auto-save gods. And triumphed over technology. Fact number 4. A 3D artist is only as good as their backups. The moral of the story. Creating a hut in Nomad Sculpt isn't just about shaping geometry. It's about embracing chaos, laughing at glitches, and learning weirdly specific facts like how to make wood look less like caramel. Every twist and turn adds character, not just to the hut, but to you as a modeler. And that, my friend, is how you build not just a hut, but a legend. Thank you for watching the video. Please hit like and subscribe for more, and if you have any question in your mind you can ask me in the comments.